Hello everyone, this is TCJ speaking, coming to you from the computer lab once again, and today we're going to be doing another model review video, and it's been a long time since we ever done a model review video. The last time we ever did a model review video was on the Victorian Railways B class, and yeah, but that's not the point of the whole video today. But anyways, today we're going to be reviewing a model that I've had for almost a year now, and will soon be turning a year old once this video has been published, which will be right about now, which, yeah, so, today we are going to be doing a review video on the IDR models Victorian Railways W class with DCC sound. So the Victorian Railways W class were a class of diesel hydraulic locomotive built in about the 1950s, and there was the original version, which when the locomotives were first introduced, they started off with a Mercedes-Benz engine, and then around probably 70s, I think, from memory, was when they updated the engines to a more powerful engine, and they've been the jobs were to do yard shunting and short trips on the main line, and also act as station pilots. Two of these particular classes have run as the Spencer Street yard pilots, and one, I think, was converted to standard gauge, and one was sent off to New South Wales as an experimental engine for the new class called the New South Wales Government Railways 71 class, but failed its trials and was an unsuccessful project. So in this box here we have got W253, one of the many original W classes with like the original body shell and all that before the upgrade. So we're going to open up the box, have a look at the model, and see what it's like. And I've had this model out of the box many times, so, and taken it to AMRA for runs. So here you have your little, what have we got? We've got the entire list of things you need to know about them. A little diagram. And on the back is all the features for the DCC sound, which I'll give you a pause to read if you want to read them all. And more information on the bottom, which we'll not go into for a little bit later. And you've also got your entire big building instruction manual on how to disassemble it. More on the back too. Yep. And now we're gonna fold this up. Also, when you get DCC sound, you get this little DCC address. In this case, this one is 253, which will be the little running number for the engine to able to run on the tracks with the DCC controller. Take the model out of its box here. And usually in the big block of ice, the locomotive would be covered in plastic to protect it, but I didn't bother to put the plastic back on. If you want to know where it is, it's in there. Slide it out of its block of ice over there. There you go. And try to somehow undo it without breaking. There we go. Out of the block of ice. There. And here you have W253 in classic Victorian Railways livery, blue and gold, very dark blue I will say. It's got the, without getting the shadow of the camera's little cover thing that it has on the front, there is the Victorian Railways logo and number plates on the side, even plates on the back. And one on the front. If the camera will focus. Probably not. I think we all know what it is. So yeah, what made me want to get another W class? Pretty much with the original one I have, which is W244. I did want to get a sound one at one point, but then I do have DC tracks at the time, and so I just decided to get a DC model, and then about 2 years later, I decided to just get another one of these with DCC sound, and a little bit of a different design, because W244 is one of the rebuild versions, and this one is the early version when they were first built, because they would have had the body shell was a little more bigger when they fitted in the newer engine, so this one's a little smaller, and it doesn't have the hydraulic funnel for the fumes to come out from the front. So yeah, and I don't know, there's not much to talk about. But if you want to see my other model review video on the IDI Models W class, I'll put a little thing in the top. If I'm looking somewhere over there, a little information box about my last model review video on a W, which I have done. So yeah, now we can take W253 out onto the layout and test out a few of the sound features. So let's go. Okay, so now we've got W253 on the layout, and we're going to run him light engine around the layout first, and then we're going to have him pull a load, including a few new hopper wagons that I previously got from the AMRA Victoria 51st Annual Model Train Show, which happened late last weekend as of the time of recording of this video. So we're going to go through some of the sound features of the W class and see how it sounds and how it runs. Well everyone, that was W253 going around the layout and doing a load test as well. So what I think about this model is that it's very good and the sound quality is phenomenal. All the sound features is really good. When in a big layout at a model railway expo, the sound volume is not loud enough to be heard from, but in a loud room you'd have to be up very close to hear its sound. Anywho, hope you guys all enjoyed the video today. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So take care of yourself, stay cool and stay awesome. Goodbye. Cue the outro.